Hey guys, welcome to our new video. If you like the video, definitely hit the thumbs up but see what we got up to today and have a look at our finished product by the end of it. It's pretty exciting, so keep watching.
Alright, phase 1 complete. We've got the bus, got it back home, it's in the driveway, we're good to go. Phase 2 is your stock standard demo. Alright, so what we got to do here is, old mate's got a cage set up. He was like some tyre dude, I guess you could say it's a cargo barrier. So we gotta rip this bad boy out. Gotta rip up all this channeling, take out the seats. I just removed that. I don't know if you can see that, but this thing is so heavy. Wheelchair access thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Start ripping this bad boy apart. Take out the seats, rip up the floor, and clean this roof up. She's pretty crook. Alright, so let's get stuck into it.
Hey so we've been doing some demo on Mo, and this is where we've gotten so far. So we've taken everything out that we don't need and basically brought it down to the shell. So we've ripped off all the floor. My goodness, that was hard. Taken off all the walls. What else? There was cages, there was all this weird cages and everything, as you would have seen Sam before, and just now in the process of taking off all the roof. We're just wondering what we're going to do, because it has aircon all along it, so we're not really sure how we're actually going to be doing this one.
Well, we can somehow keep some aircon to cool the whole area while we're driving.
I personally would like to have some
aircon. Or we gotta just take it all out and
completely take
not
it
have
out
aircon while we're driving.
and not have aircon. Well,
in the rear, but
well, I was hoping to have a little bit of aircon, even if like hot days, but you know,
you gotta just duct it somehow.
But that's sort of where we're at. But this is it's looking a bit of a shambles at the moment, but a lot of progress today. Lots of progress. So we'll have to do a tip run. There's literally all of that out there. But we're getting there. Getting there.
Say something? Nice.
Okay, so we are done for today. First day on Mo.
Yes. A very long day, eventful day. Pretty much gutted it.
Completely. We've come to rip out the flooring, so we went to Bunnings and got some more
Got some
plywood. And come home. We
nearly got stuck at Bunnings.
okay. Oh yeah.
Bus. So I jumped in the bus, kicked it over. It was a bit sluggish to start, not really sure what's going on there. And then I'm driving out of Bunnings and Raina's like, can you hurry up? There's a car behind you. And I'm literally foot to the floor gunning this bus, and it's just like...
Not going anywhere.
And I'm just like, oh my God.
But rewind to all of this, when we picked up the bus and we fueled it up, we realised that the fuel gauge is not working.
The fuel gauge wasn't working.
Completely not working. So that was a bit of a bugger, and we knew that we'd have to go and get that fixed. But anyways, we got the bus working. We come home. Crawled home. And ripped up the floorboards.
Started ripping up the floorboards. Discovered there's two fuel tanks. Two fuel tanks. A little bit of a humming noise going on.
With the back tank.
Not really sure what that's all about. Assumed it was the fuel pump. Looked inside that tank, it was bone dry. So quick phone call. Nick and basically
my brother-in-law.
The brother-in-law, and he's like,
hey Jason, thanks.
Thanks Jason. He's like, yeah, it's probably a diesel tank. Go down, fill it up.
Yeah.
And sure enough, the needle works. It's now half full.
So that's good news, silver lining.
There's a little switch on the dash no one told us about, rear and front tank, so it's all a learning curve.
All learning, but we are done for today. And I guess we'll do some more tomorrow on the bus.
Get stuck into it, get the floor sorted, and
yeah,
should be right as rain.
Yeah, absolutely. But that's all for today, I guess.
Yeah, cool.
Had some speed bumps, but speed bumps?
Yeah,
I
guess. A couple of hurdles.
Alright, but that's all. No more, otherwise we will just go crazy for today.
End up giving up on the bus.
Alright, cool. Well, we'll see you again soon.
Sweet. Bye.